everybody, this is Anthony Supra, and today we're going to finish up our right-hand drive Supra project. We have our first issue that we have. When we go to start the vehicle, it won't start on the first crank, and I'm going to show you what that issue is right now. So, alright, we get into the vehicle, throw it in the on position, I go to crank and nothing happens. But if I do it again, the vehicle starts right up. So now I'm going to show you what that problem is, and we're going to troubleshoot it from there. So I'm going to walk you around. Okay, so your Supra has a fuse box right here, okay, and the cover sits right on top. You have a clip right here and a clip here. You're just going to remove this cover, all right? We're going to be focusing with this relay right here, all right? This relay is your starter relay, and in our case, it is not working properly. So we're going to remove it just by pulling it up, a little wiggling, all right? And I have a brand new relay, which I purchased from eBay for $7. There's the part number. And it can only go in one way. You have a straight tab, and that goes right there. Push that down in there. And now we're going to try the same test again, but this time with just, basically we're just gonna start that test again, this time with the new relay, and see what happens. So, come on over. All right, foot on the clutch, on position. Started right up on the first try. So that is the starter relay in our case, is what the failure was. It wasn't allowing me to start on the first try, it would only start on the second try. So a $7 relay or $10 relay off eBay solved our problem. There you go.